If you're looking for a good crypto platform with tons of crypto assets available for the users, MEXC is definitely the one. With the support for more than 200 crypto assets, you can trade or invest your money however you like. If you haven't watched our video about how to earn the sign-up bonus on this exchange, check out the links below. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step instruction on how you can withdraw and deposit on this exchange. Let's go! So the first thing that you need to do is to go to MEXC.com and then log into your MEXC account. If you haven't had an account, you can watch a tutorial video on how to sign up and verify yourself on MEXC to be able to deposit and withdraw. And with our referral code, you can earn 20% off our trading fees on MEXC. Now, in order to deposit and withdraw on MEXC, you will have to complete your identity verification. If you haven't KYC yet, then again you can refer back to our tutorial video. Now let's start depositing. So from the homepage of MEXC, go to Wallet and then click on Overview. Then choose Deposit here. After that, choose the type of crypto that you want to deposit into your MEXC wallet. You can search the name of your coins here, for example Bitcoin or BTC. Here I want to deposit USDT, so I just switch back to USDT. Then choose the deposit network. You can see for USDT there are a lot of networks that you can choose here. Each network will have a different deposit address. So just click on the network that you want. Read the reminder and tick on this box to confirm that you have read it. And then click here to get the deposit address. So some network will require you to enter the memo key. For example, EOS network. As you can see, beside the deposit address, they also give you a memo here. So you would want to include this memo as well as the address in the right field on the withdrawal platform. So remember to get the right address and the memo, otherwise you will lose your access. So to do that, just copy the address here and paste it in the withdrawal address field on your withdrawal platform, which can be another exchange or your crypto e-wallet. Also keep in mind that if you use TRC20 as your network, the minimum deposit amount is 0.01 USDT. The deposits that is less than that will not be proceeded, which means you won't be able to receive that amount. After you have made the withdrawal on the other platform, you will see the coins arriving in your MEXC wallet. You can go to history here to check the record and the status of your transaction. The transferring process can take about a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the network, whether it is congested or not. Now, in case you don't have any crypto available on any other platform, you can choose to buy crypto directly using your bank account. So to do this, you will have to add your bank information onto MEXC first. So go to Buy Crypto here and click on Setting. Then choose Add Collection Method. Next, choose the method that you want, which can be either your bank account or many other e-wallet options as you can see here. After that, just fill in your bank account number, bank name and address. Then click on Submit here and your bank account will be added onto MEXC system. Now you can start buying crypto. So again, go to Buy Crypto here. You can choose between two most common ways to buy crypto, which are buying using P2P trading and credit or debit card. So for P2P, as you can see here, if you want to use your money to buy crypto, click on Buy. Otherwise, if you have crypto and want to convert your crypto into money, click on Sell. Next, choose the crypto that you want to buy and then the fiat currency that you have. For example, US dollar. Then enter the amount that you want to pay to buy crypto here, and you can see the estimated amount of crypto that you can get. There can also be the transaction fees charged by your bank, so keep that in mind. After selecting all the fields, you will have a list of sellers here from which you can choose. So you will want to choose the best seller based on their credibility by judging their number of orders here and the percentage of orders completion here. And also you should choose the seller who offers the most suitable price for you. So as you can see here in the price column, this would be the price of 1 USDT that this seller charged. which is fair according to the market price. And you can also see on the right column here is the payment method that the seller accepts. After setting up, you can click on buy here and make the online banking to send the money to the seller with the information that you will get afterward. Then confirm that you have sent the money and the seller will start sending the coins to you. If you want to learn more about crypto, don't hesitate to like and subscribe to CoinF Master. Turn on the notification bell to always see our newest video. The second most common way to buy crypto is to use credit or debit card. So from here, click on credit debit card and then choose your fiat currency, for example USD, and the crypto that you want to get, for example USDT. After you have entered the amount of money that you want to pay, you will have the estimated amount of crypto that you get here. But this is only estimated. The real amount that you get will also depend on the transaction fees. So to know the exact fee that you have to pay, choose the service provider here, and each provider will charge a different fee. For example, as you can see here, Simplex charges quite a lot, as you can calculate by taking the amount that you spend and subtracting the amount that you get here. So I will try another provider. And as you can see here, this provider charges a lot less because you can receive much more here. So let's check the last one. So we can see that the last provider charges the lowest fee compared to the other two. So the decision is on you. After you have done choosing, click on buy button here, and then the money will be sent from your card to theirs, and then they will send you the crypto that you want. After that, you can check the record and the information by clicking on orders here. And also click on pending order here to check the orders that are being processed. So now let's move on to withdrawal. Again, go to wallet overview and then click on withdrawal here. Now choose the crypto that you want to withdraw. Enter the withdrawal address, choose the network and fill in the amount that you want to withdraw. And if you want, you can enter the purpose of your withdrawal. So first, for the address field, make sure that you get the right address, which is the address of your deposit wallet where you want to send your coins to. This can be your crypto e-wallet address or the address of another exchange that you are using. Next, for the network, as you can see here, there are a lot of networks that you can choose, and each one will have a different withdrawal fee. However, some networks that have low fees can take a little bit longer to send your coins, so consider that carefully. Then for the amount, as you enter the withdrawal amount here, you will be able to see the fee according to the amount that you want to withdraw and the actual amount of coins that you will get. So after you have entered all the information and double check, you can click on submit here and your withdrawal request will be proceeded. You can also check the withdrawal record and status by going to history and then click on withdrawal here. And that's it. Easy, right? If you're looking for a complete walkthrough of any crypto exchange, check out the links below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to CoinF Master because it's free. And turn on the notification bell because we have so much more crypto information and tutorials that we cannot wait to share with you. Goodbye for now and see you in the next video.